Don't we make a beautiful couple, thee and me? Shall we wonder questions and recite your fucking poetry to the fucking cows? You are blood. Like all other men. And you're not like all other women. We bow before them. We use ourselves dolls for their amusement. We use dignity, corsets and high shoes,
Por favor, segure só.
and the slavery of marriage. Now what is this? Back there, the face turned to the pillar,